Deep Dive, Troubleshooting SAPSD Output Issues, Invoice or SO Output Not Triggered. One of the most frequent support tickets in SAPSD is output not triggering. While it sounds simple, the root cause can hide anywhere from basic master data to complex ABAP routines, or S/4 HANA BRF Plus frameworks. This guide is structured to take you from basic triage L1 support to advanced debugging L3 or architect level. Phase 1, the 5-minute diagnosis, functional analysis. Before assuming a technical glitch, you must verify the standard condition technique flow. Step 1, the output analysis tool, the holy grail. When an output is missing, never guess. Ask the system why it failed. 1. Go to VF02, invoice or VA02, order. 2. Navigate to, go to, header, output. 3. Scenario A, the screen is empty. Click the Analysis button or go to Determine. Analysis. On the left, you will see the output procedure, example. V10000. Expand it to see the output types, example. RD00. Interpret the result. Condition record exists, but has not been set. This usually means a requirement failed. Look at the requirement column, example. 062. If this routine returns false, the output is suppressed. Condition record is missing. The system searched using the access sequence but found no valid record in VV11 or VV31. 4. Scenario B. The output is there, but status is red, traffic light. Select the line and click Processing Log. Common error, output device not defined, spool issue. Common error, archive not possible, optical archiving issue. Common error, user has no processing authorization, basis or auth object. Step 2. Validate master data, condition records. If the analysis says condition record missing, transaction, VV11, sales order, or VV31, billing. Key checks. 1. Validity dates. Is the document date falling within the valid from or valid to dates of the condition record? 2. Release status. Some records require release status. 3. Communication method. Go into the record detail. Communication. Is a printer, output device, assigned? If this field is empty and the user has no default printer in SU3, NDR, the output will fail or stay in status yellow. Phase 2, configuration verification, NACE or SPARO. If master data is correct, the issue lies in the configuration, the skeleton of the output. 1. Procedure assignment. Is the system looking at the right procedure? Path, SPARO, SD, basic functions, output control, output determination, assign output determination procedures. Check. Verify your billing type, example. F2 is assigned to the correct procedure, example. V10000. If this assignment is missing, no output will ever generate. 2. Partner function consistency. The output type, example, RD00, is assigned to a partner function, example, BP, bill to party. Critical check. Does the document actually have a partner in that role? Example, if output BA00 is set to send to partner SP, sold to, but your order is a rush order with only a SH, ship to, the output cannot determine a recipient. 3. Requirement routines, VOFM. This is a silent killer. Transaction, NACE, application V1, sales, or V3, billing. Procedures. Select the procedure, control data. Look at the requirement column. Example, requirement 62, bill doc, release to accounting. If the invoice is blocked for posting, status VBRKRFBSK, $NAEC, requirement 62, returns false. The output will not trigger until the invoice is released to accounting. Phase 3, advanced debugging, the hands-on expert level. When the analysis screen is vague or misleading, you must debug. Scenario 1, debugging output determination. Why is it missing? You need to find out why the condition technique is failing. 1. Target program, SAPSDTOP50, is the generic output processor, but determination happens earlier. 2. Breakpoint location, go to SE38 or SE80. Program, SAPLVCOM. This is the function pool for condition determination. Function module, pricing, yes, output determination, uses the pricing engine source code, specifically CONDTECHNIQUE. Better yet, use a specific module for output. Messaging. 3. Strategy. Set a breakpoint in function module messaging. Run VF02 and save. Watch the table XNAST. This internal table holds the proposed outputs. If your output type isn't appended to XNAST, step through the access sequence logic. Scenario 2. Debugging output processing. Why is it red? The output was found, but the print program crashed or failed. 1. Find the driver program, go to NACE. Output types. Select type. Processing routines. Note the program example, RVADIN01, and form routine, example, entry. 2. Set breakpoint. Open SE38, RVADIN01. Search for form entry. Set a breakpoint. 3. Trigger. Go to VF02, output screen. Select the failed, red, output. Click repeat output. Save. The debugger will open. 4. What to watch. Check SAPSDTOP after function module calls, like openForm, or SMARTFOR, MFUNCTION, MODULE. If a SmartForm raises an exception, example, formatting error, the driver program usually catches it and marks the output as red. Phase 4, S or 4, HANA specifics, BRF Plus versus NAST. If you are on S or 4 HANA, the rules may have changed completely. S or 4 HANA supports both NAST, Old Way, and BRF Plus, New Output Management. How to verify which one is active. 1. SPRO path, cross-application components, output control, manage application object type activation. 2. Check the status for BILLING DOCUMENT. Application active. The system uses BRF Plus. All your NACE or VV31 work is ignored. Application inactive. The system uses NAST, Legacy, or NACE. If BRF Plus is active, do not use NACE. Transaction, OPD, output parameter determination. You must configure decision tables for output type, receiver, channel, print, email, form template. Troubleshooting. If output is missing in BRF Plus, check the business partner roles. BRF Plus is strictly integrated with BP. If the BP role for customer is not fully maintained, BRF Plus fails to identify the receiver. Consultant's cheat sheet. Common gotchas. Issue symptom likely cause solution. Output ignored, output screen is empty. Analysis says requirement 003 not met. Document is incomplete or blocked. Check VOFM requirement 003 source code. Usually requires net value greater than 0 or doc complete. Email fails, output red. Log, email address not found. BP master data missing email. Update customer master, XD02 or BP. Ensure standard communication method is set to email, INT. Wrong printer prints, to user's local printer instead of warehouse. Local set in user profile. Remove parameter NDR from user profile, SU3, or assign specific printer in condition record, VV31. No print immediate output stays yellow. Prints only when RSNAST00 runs. Dispatch time setting. In VV31, change dispatch time to 4, send immediately. PDF preview fails device type, does not support PDF basis or spool issue. The printer device type in SPAD does not support PDF conversion. Use device type, PDF1 or SWIN.